Welcome to a tiny toy review. Today I'm reviewing these three Godzilla puny action figures. I really do like these, because they're really decent toys, I must say. But let's get started. We're gonna do the most recent. We'll start with Godzilla 2014. We'll save the best for last. Alright, so the Godzilla 2014 toy. Now, this guy is extremely squishy, so you can make him either big and fat, or you can make him as skinny as possible, like a snake. Yeah, a really good toy. Lots of details. He's missing the teeth. And unlike my last one, which I'm gonna go grab my last one. So yeah, here's the other one, which is not squishy. He has teeth, but he has these weird glowing yellow eyes. They really glow in the camera. But this guy, he's just got these orange eyes. He's got his tongue in there, and he's got no visible teeth. They're all black. I can sort of see them. They look a lot better when they're not in real life. But yeah, he's a really squishy guy. Alright, he's really squishy. His arms can go full 360, and they can really fold, and that's how flexible they are. There's no ball joint or anything there. You can see there's no ball joint or anything there. They're just really flexible. You can even move the mouth. There's just no ball joint there. It's completely squishy. All right, it's squishy. His leg can go full 360 because they're really squishy, and you can even probably bend them to the side. Yeah, you can bend them to the side. They'll probably pop out though. And his tail can barely move, and it's squishy, so you can sort of fold it in. But yeah, it's a really squishy little figure. And overall, between these two, I've really got to say, this one has very good detail, really hard action figure, but I think I should go with this guy. He has a little bit more detail, although his chest is not as broad as the last one. His feet are a little more detailed. Oh, he's got a little more detailed head. He just looks more realistic. But then again, his spikes look faded while his spikes look faded. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do a separate video maybe with that. Next, we've got our Kiryu. I'm really glad to have this guy. He's got all the guns and everything. It's really cool. But yeah, let's get started. So yeah, he's got these really cool guns. He's a very well detailed figure. He's pretty much almost as accurate as my gigantic one. Just the gigantic one is not just completely sprayed silver with a few yellow and red and black, and just a few black places. That one has a lot more detail. But this guy, he's just got all the little pieces and crevices. Like there, he's got the little ski patches. He's got the rocket boosters on the back. He is really detailed. But anyways, for articulation, his arm, because of these, they probably could go a full 360, but they can't. Also, he's not as squishy as Godzilla 2014, but his legs are, his bottom part is squishy. His legs cannot move, but they sort of can because of how squishy they are. So his head can move, but it's really stiff. It's really stiff, but yeah, you'll be able to move it. But yeah, it's movable, but really stiff when you first get it. Its tail can move a lot better. And yeah, it can go full 360, so yeah, the tail can go full. Yeah, that's Kiryu. Really good one, too. And finally, we got to save the best for last, Godzilla Final Wars. Comparing this guy to his larger version, which I reviewed a while back, this one actually looks more movie accurate, actually, I must say, for a little guy. He's got very good detail. It's sort of like a copy of my tailless Final Wars Godzilla that I used in my Life After Godzilla movie series, which I'm quitting on that one because it's so horrible. But yeah, for articulation, his arms can move all the way backwards, and they can move all the way forward like that. His head does not move, but it's so squishy you can sort of move his mouth. And his legs can probably... It's pretty stiff, but it's not stiff. It's just really hard to get around this arm here. But yeah, you can go at full 360. The tail sort of moves. It's more of a wiggle, and he's decently squishy. It's a little more squishy than. It's not as squishy as Godzilla 2014, but he's at least a little squishier than Kiryu. But yeah. So overall, my favorite out of these three, I think it would be Godzilla 2014, but Final Wars, I'm starting to lean towards, but I'm not sure at this point. But yeah, very good figures. I suggest getting these guys. I think this was all of the ones that they had. So yeah, go out, see if you can find them. I got these guys for Christmas, but yeah, if you're lucky enough, you might be able to find these. I mean, these ones I found at a bookstore in Kansas City, so you might be able to find them. But yeah, I'm posting this in February probably, or something past February. I mean, it's like January 11th I had this video, but yeah. Anyways, see you for my next review, which will probably be some Ultraman figures. But yeah, see you next time.